5th of September 2021. Thank you and welcome. Today I have different story. As you can see, this is $2.31 in my account, and this account is for Volatility Synthetic Indices. This is the balance which is used by many people. As you can see, this balance is being used by many people, and most of the people who are coming to my inbox, they always ask me about the minimum deposit which is required by this broker who provide synthetic indices. So today I just want to give you an insight on the assets that you can trade with the minimum deposit. The minimum deposit for this broker is only $1, which is 100 cents. So what I'm saying now is, if you deposit $1, there is only one asset that you can trade successfully and try by all means to make profit. And I will show you. This is $2.31. $2.31. As you can see, the equity $2.31, the balance $2.31. You can see it. Now, the asset is none other than Volatility 75 1S. This one, second from bottom. And then when you want to open a trade, you don't just rush to click a sell or buy. We go to the chart first, and we can analyze the chart on 30 minutes. We can analyze the chart on 1 hour. We can analyze the chart on H4 like this, and you can see this is on the downward trend. On H1 is saying downward trend, and M30 is also downward trend. So I can simply place, this is the minimum lot size, I can simply place a sell. You can see I can place a sell there, and I opened my trade, and by then my trade is very safe, very safe. But you can also adjust the lot size if you are willing to do so. But the one thing that you are supposed to put in mind is inject fund that you are ready to lose, because this game is not a donation where you can just come and take money. We are saying trading. If you buy instead of selling, it's a loss. If you sell instead of buying, it's a loss. But if you buy instead of buying, it's profit. If you sell instead of selling, it's profit. So there is profit and loss. Don't be optimistic only. Just give another room for pessimism. So we are saying you can adjust this to something like 0.015 or 0.09 like this, and you can simply place your sell like this. And I have 2 open positions. This thing is volatile, but if you place the biggest lot size ever, you can also lose your money. It is not very volatile, but lot size can destroy your capital. So what I'm saying, you must always practice good management, which is your equity must be equivalent to your lot sizes. Don't swallow bigger lumps, they can choke you. So we are saying, for smaller lot size, use smaller. For smaller equity, use smaller lot size. For bigger equity, use bigger lot size. Because with equity of $100 on V75 1S, you can safely place a trade with lot size of 0.1 or 0.15. No, 0.1 or 0.05. 0.05, you can safely place that trade, because as you can see, I can place as many trades as I want on this account without blowing this balance. This is very little. I just added these funds for educational purpose. If I lose $2, there is no need for me to cry for $2. nothing like that. So it's up to you now, trading using minimum lot size or bigger lot sizes. But this asset, as of now, as I'm speaking right now, this asset is good for you. For those with bigger equity, which is 500 plus, 1000 plus, you can try V100 and V75. V100 and V75 is also good for you. But most of the people, they don't like those assets. They like their own assets. Don't worry about the movement of this trade. Trading, it moves. The graphs can move up and down. So when you see a loss, it doesn't mean that it's a permanent loss. There's no permanent loss in trading. Loss can be closed and you get into profit, or a loss can be held until you reach the level where you have profit. So I will hold these trades until they give me profit. But don't open too much or too many trades on a very, very small account. That can destroy your account. So try by all means to practice good money management so that you can sustainably keep your account. On this account, we say every day you must target 5% or 10% of your capital. So make sure for $1 you must target 5 cents. For $2, target 10 cents as your profit. Is that feasible? Is that authentic? I think it's up to you now. But if you want to swallow more than what you can be choked. I told you. Because in indices, these things, they are very, very fast. There is speed in indices. So you can make money in a shortest possible time. You can also make huge loss in a shortest possible time. Your own information, when you place bigger lot sizes and the trade is open, you are not able to adjust the lot size. What you can just modify is the stop loss and the take profit points, but the lot size itself is not adjustable. Most of the people, when they open a trade, they just see profits. Myself, when I open a trade, I see both profit and loss. So I'm just waiting for my results. As you can see, nothing is happening to my account. This account is very, very small, but it is holding 3 trades with lot size of which is almost 0.01 something. So you can do the same on your account. Thank you very much for your time. This is the asset for you to trade now. Those with the bigger equity, those with the smaller equity, try V75 1S. I am introducing this to you. Thank you very much. When you are a first time visitor to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the videos, share the videos, and click the notification button so that you won't miss the future videos. If you have anything that you want, the comment section is opened. Comment to the comment section, either negative comment or a positive comment. No problem about that. Every comment is accepted for the better of our future. Thank you very much. I am the Great Ironman Africa.